Has it ever happened that you were talking to someone, but they didn't take you seriously? Or you helped someone, but when it was your turn, they ignored you? It hurts, doesn't it? That moment when you realize that people don't respect you, they don't take your words seriously, and you don't get the respect you deserve. But the real question is, why is this happening? The problem is not in the world. The problem lies in our own habits, which are gradually diminishing our value. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 5 such habits that are slowly making you weaker and causing people to disrespect you. If you change these habits, people won't be able to ignore you. But if you continue with them over time, your presence will stop mattering to others. Now, the decision is in your hands. Let's begin. 1. Reacting to everything. Overreacting on every small thing. Has it ever happened that someone made a joke, but it got stuck in your mind? Or someone interrupted you, and you kept thinking about it all day? If yes, then you need to understand that reacting too much can become your weakness. Why does reacting too much reduce your value? Imagine you're sitting in a room and someone deliberately tries to annoy you. If you immediately get angry or frustrated, the other person realizes how easy it is to control you. On the other hand, if you remain calm, smile, or simply ignore them, those same people start feeling uncomfortable. The Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "If you get angry at every fool, you will become a fool yourself." Think, who benefits from your anger? Others do. Your attention gets diverted, your energy gets wasted, and you become a puppet in someone else's hands. So what should you do? Use the Stoic method. Press the pause button. Don't react immediately. Next time someone tries to provoke you, pause for 5 seconds, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, is this person really worth my anger? Recognize your emotions, but don't be their slave. The Stoics say that emotions are not wrong, but getting completely carried away by them is. If you feel anger rising, notice it, but before expressing it, control yourself. Understand the power of 3 words. What others say about you does not define your real value. If someone calls you a fool, do you really become one? If someone insults you, does your actual respect decrease? Real respect comes from your actions, not from others' words. Observe wise people. Look at the great Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. Did they respond to every argument? They spoke thoughtfully and only when necessary. Real strength lies in the one who controls their emotions, who doesn't get shaken by external factors, and who remains powerful even in silence. Now, a question for you. What kind of person do you want to be? Someone who gets rattled by small things, or someone who stays calm and maintains their value? Comment below. Now, I will react less and act more. 2. Trying to please everyone. People pleasing. Do you also try to keep everyone happy? Does someone ask you for something and you immediately say yes without thinking? Do you sacrifice your happiness just to avoid making others upset? If yes, then believe me, this habit is damaging your value the most. Why does trying to please everyone make you weaker? You always prioritize others' needs. People take advantage of you, asking you to do things for free, and you can't say no. Even when you are struggling, you still help others. People don't respect you. They take you for granted. They don't appreciate you, but remember you only when they need something. Epictetus, the Stoic thinker, said, "If you try to make everyone happy, you will never be happy yourself." So, what should you do? Learn to say no without guilt. Next time someone asks for help, ask yourself, did they help me when I needed it? If not, then say no without feeling guilty. I'd love to help, but I don't have time right now. A simple line, but it will increase your value tremendously. Stop seeking approval from everyone. Why do you need validation from others? If you are happy with yourself, others' opinions don't matter. Think, does this increase or decrease my respect? Every time you are about to help someone unnecessarily, ask yourself, is this increasing my value, or are people just taking me lightly? The world respects those who respect themselves first. If you keep ignoring your own needs, the world will ignore you too. Now, a question for you. Will you still keep trying to please everyone, or will you start respecting yourself first? Comment below. Now, I will respect myself first. 3. Talking too much. Talking excessively. Have you ever noticed that the most intelligent and respected people speak very little? But when they do, their words carry weight. Now think, if you talk all the time, how seriously will people take your words? Why does talking too much reduce your value? People don't take your words seriously. When you speak excessively, people stop valuing your words. They think, oh, this person is always talking. There's nothing new here. You expose your weaknesses yourself. When we talk too much, we often reveal our fears and insecurities, and there are always people waiting to take advantage of that. Your energy gets wasted on the wrong things. Instead of talking too much, imagine the impact if you spoke less but said powerful things at the right time. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher, said, "The one who talks too much reveals their own weaknesses." So what should you do? Speak less, but make your words valuable. Not everything needs to be shared. The less people know about you, the more they value your words. Listen first, think next, then speak. Many people speak first and think later. But wise people listen first, then think, and only then speak. Be mysterious. Have you noticed that people who speak less seem the most attractive? Others want to understand them. If you share everything, your personality loses its charm. Next time you talk, ask yourself, is this really necessary? Will this increase my value or decrease it? The world listens to those who speak less, but speak powerfully at the right moment. Now, a question for you. Will you keep talking too much and lower your value, or will you speak wisely and increase your respect? Comment below. Now, I will speak thoughtfully. And last thing, bro, this is not just a channel, it's a way to transform your life. If you want people to respect you, become mentally strong, and always stay one step ahead, you need the right knowledge, wisdom that the most powerful people in history followed. If you truly want to change your life, start today, because the world listens to those who make themselves strong.